Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon to you all. Dear boys, welcome to online classes. Dear boys, here particularly I am making this video for the revision of your science for the grade 6. This is the revision for the first term examination where you are going to write the exam. For the exam, you will be finding this video very helpful for you. This video concludes all the tasks what we take during the revision week. So here this video is particularly based on the 4 pages from your workbook, particularly page number 32, 34, 50 and 74. So dear boys, let's start the video with the first question, that is match the correct word with the description. That is, the words are given to you in the box where a cell, a compound, a element, organ, organism, organ system and tissue. These words you are going to use in these different sentences which are given here. So here the first sentence, that is starts with the first word, that is G is the tissue. I am a group of similar cells that work together to perform the same function. What am I? So this is what you are going to choose this word from this box. Now here, the second is about C element. I am a pure substance that cannot be broken down into simpler substance, and I am made of only one type of atom. What am I? So like this, we are going to answer for all these sentences where you are going to use the particular suitable words from this box. Now, after this, we will be going to see for fill in the blanks from the page number 34. Here are some sentences where you are going to choose, where you are going to write the correct words which will make the sentence complete. So here, plant, the first fill in the blanks, that is plant cells and animal cells both have cell membranes that give cells their shape. The second is what? The part of cell that is sometimes called the control center is the nucleus. Third is what? Between a cell's nucleus and its membrane is a gel-like substance called cytoplasm. Likewise, here a cell that needs a constant supply of energy contains many mitochondria, and the structures and chemicals found in plant cells but not in animal cells are cell walls, cytoplasm and chlorophyll. Likewise, we are going to answer for the remaining sentences. Now here, choose the correct answer from the following, from which you are going to write the answers from the page number 50. The smallest unit of living things that can carry out life processes are. What is it? It is a cells. So number 2, a living things that can perform its life function independently is called an organism. Number 3, when a group of similar cells work together to perform specific function, they form a tissue. Number 4, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen and the hydrogen are all examples of elements. Okay. Number 4. About number 5, a new substance formed when two or more elements combine chemically is called a compound. Likewise, here we are going to answer for water possesses through cell membranes by osmosis, and the last, that is the process that occurs when plants use energy from the sun to make food is called photosynthesis. The next is about page number 74. Choose the correct answer from the following, where we are going to write the answer for these sentences. The study of heredity is called genetics. Characteristics that are passed from parent to offspring are called inherited traits. The hidden form of trait is called a recessive trait. A portion of a chromosome that controls an inherited trait is called a gene. Number 5. When a tall pea plant is crossed with short pea plant, the resulting offspring are called hybrids. Number 6. Human cells contain 23 pairs of chromosomes. Number 7. Genes that an organism inherits for a particular trait make up its genotype. And last, that is the cell structure found in the males but not in females are called Y chromosomes. So these are the important questions which we have already studied in the revision task. So this will definitely help you in your examination. So study this well, study from these all the pages, and hopefully your exam will be good. So all the best for your exam. Thank you very much.